So here, which is a Bernoulli equations form, and R is dependent variable. Okay. So here we have, instead of functions of R, I here like this is or R tan theta. So this is tan theta is my P, and Q is equal to minus R square cos theta. But as we need Q is a functions of theta only. So here we have to divide by R square. We have to divide by R square. Okay. So if we divide by R square, what I get, 1 upon R square dr by d theta minus tan theta upon R minus 1 upon cos theta. Now instead of R, here we have 1 upon R, minus 1 upon R. Okay. So first of all, we consider this minus 1 upon R is equal to V. Minus 1 upon R equal to V. Now if we take the differentiations, what I get, 1 upon R square dr by d theta is equal to dv by d theta. Now we can substitute this value in equations 1. So if we substitute this, what I get, dv by d theta plus v into tan theta is equal to minus 1 upon cos theta. Now this equation 2, which is a linear equations in V. Okay. So P is equal to tan theta and Q is equal to minus 1 upon cos theta. So first of all, we have to find out the integrating factor, e raised to integrations p d theta. So P is equal to tan theta here. Integrations of tan theta is log sine theta. Okay, log sec theta, not tan theta. Here log sec theta. Okay, so here is the correction, log sec theta. And so e log sec theta is equal to sec theta. We get sec theta. So multiplied with integrating factor. So in general solutions, what I get, if into v is equal to integrations of if into q d theta plus c. Now if is equal to here sec theta. So sec theta into v is equal to integration sec theta minus 1 upon cos theta d theta plus c. Sec theta, it means 1 upon cos theta. Okay. Now, so I get minus sec square theta and minus sign outside the integral, and sec square, the integrations of sec square theta, which I get tan theta. And instead of v, we can put minus 1 upon r. Okay, so this is our solution, sec theta minus 1 upon r minus is equal to minus tan theta plus c. Or you can multiply with minus sign. So you get sec theta upon r is equal to tan theta minus c. So is it clear for everyone? Okay, so instead of y and x, we have given equations in r and theta. And then first we have rewrite these equations, dr upon d theta is equal to r tan theta is equal to minus r upon cos theta. Now here r is dependent variable. Okay, r is dependent variable. If we haven't given here r square, then this equation is linear in r. But unfortunately, we have here r square. So first we have to divide it by r square. So this is non-linear equations, but we can convert into linear equations. So first we divide by r square, and then we have considered minus 1 upon r as v, and we have substituted this. We have take the differences of it, and we have substituted in equation 1. Now we get the equations in linear in v, and then we have write down p and q from the equation 2, and then find out integrating factor, and then the general solutions for linear equations. Okay, and find out the integrations, and we get the solution. Now next example, which you have to try by yourself. Okay, try yourself. Solve y raised to 4 dx is equal to x raised to minus 3 by 4 minus y cube x dy. So try yourself. Okay, this is one you have to try by yourself. So you have to rewrite these equations as dx by dy. I think dx by dy. Rewrite it as a dx by dy. So what you get here? Anyone have solved this? Okay, Harshil Kadaria get x raised to 7 by 4, y raised to 7 by 4 plus 4 upon 5 y raised to 5 by 4 equal to 6. Okay, first of all, after rewriting the equations, what you get? First step, after rewriting the equations, what you get?
dx by dy equals 1 upon x power 3 by 4 into y power 4 minus equal minus 1 by y into x.
Okay, dx by dy is equal to, sorry, dx by dy and plus what you get once again?
सर dy और dx by dy के टर्म में पूरी इक्वेशन आएगी.
हाँ, dx by dy,
हाँ, dx by dy equals 1 upon x power 3 by 4 into y power 4
1 upon x power
3 by
3
4
by 4. Yeah.
into y power 4
Y power 4.
minus 1 upon y into x.
Yeah. So x by y. Okay, उसके बाद 10. Now
सर उसके
dx
बाद फिर x पावर 3 by 4 को मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे.
x
मतलब
power
वही.
3 by.
हाँ, तो x पावर 3 by 4 into dx by dy plus
Yeah.
x power 7 by 4 upon y equals 1 upon y power 4.
Okay. So you get a linear equations. Okay, Bernoulli equations, and where x is independent variable. Okay. And then what you have considered here? V equal to
V equal x power 7 by 4.
7 by 4 is equal to V. Okay. I think everyone get the same answer, or someone here, Dharm Bera, get the different answer. What about others? Okay, Miraj also get a different answer. Okay, so I think we have to. So first of all, what we have given? We have given y raised to 4 into y raised to 4 into dx equal to
કાઉન્સમાં x રેઝ ટુ -3/4.
yeah, x raised to minus 3 by 4. And minus
xy cube
minus xy cube
into dy.
into dy. Okay. If I rewrite it, then I get dx by dy, dx by dy is equal to, now here divide by y by 4. So what I get? Okay, now need not to be written in bracket. First term. Okay. So I can say that this is 1 upon x raised to 3 by 4 into y raised to 4 minus x by y. x by y. Okay. So what I get here now, dx by dy, and plus, now see, this is a dx by linear in terms of x, linear in x. So here I get x by y equal to, what is that? Okay, so now what we have to do next? Time, is it okay or not? Yeah, Janice or Harshit.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now,
Correct.
now what we have to be considered here? Okay, for what first of all?
Multiply x 3 x power 3 by 4.
Okay, first of all we have to multiply with x power 3 by 4. Okay, yeah. So if we multiply with x power 3 by 4, into dx by dy plus now x raised to 3 by 4 into x. So
X raised to 7 by 4.
x raised to 7 by 4. And on y, so 1 by y is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. Now you have consider raised to 7 by 4 is equal to v. So we can take it then. Differentiations, I get 7 by 4 into x raised to 3 by 4. Okay, so here I get 7 by 4 into x raised to 3 by 4. And dx by dy is equal to dv by dx, dv by dy, sorry, dv by dy. Now, okay, so implies what I can say that, which is implies x raised to 3 by 2 dx by dy is equal to 4 by 7, 4 by 7 dv by dy. Now, if we put, so this is my equation 1. Okay, if I put in this equation, form 1. You can say now this is 4 by 7 dv by dy plus v by y is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. Then we have to multiply it with 7 by 4. Okay, 7 by 4. So I get dv by dy plus 7 by 4 into v by I is equal to 7 by 4. So 7 by 4 into y raised to 4. Y raised to 4. Now this is a linear equations in V. So what we can say here, P capital P is equal to
7 by 4 into 1 by y.
okay, so 7 by 4 y. Okay, I can say that 7 by 4 y and Q is equal to 7 by 4 y raised to 4. Okay. Once we get P and Q, now I have to find out integrating factor is equal to e raised to integration of P to here y. Okay, so which is nothing but now is equal to e raised to integrations of P means 7.4y dy is equal to what I get now
Y raised to 7 by 4.
e raised to 7 by 4 log y. So y raised to 7 by 4. Okay, directly I write now. I hope everyone is clear. Y raised to 7 by 4. So this is our integrating factor. Now general solutions. The general solution is I get integrating factor into v. So y raised to 7 by 4 to v is equal to integrations of integrating factor. So y raised to 7 by 4 into q 7 by 4 upon y raised to 4. by plus so what we can say here now, integrations. First of all, y have a power now. Minus 4, it means y raised to 1 by 4. Oh, sorry, 16.
minus 9 by 4.
Minus 9 by 4. Y raised to minus 9 by 4. Okay.
7 by 4 बाहर आ जाएगा.
7 by 4 we can write outside the integral. Yeah. So 7 by 4 and by plus इंटीग्रेशंस क्या मिलेगा इसका प्लस 1 सो माइनस 5 by 4.
Yes, sir.
यस सर. और बाहर फिर नीचे डिनोमिनेटर में 4 बाय सॉरी
Minus 7 by
5. हाँ, टोटल -7 by 5 हो जाएगा इंटू
Yeah.
y पावर -4 by 5.
सो डायरेक्टली लिख लेता हूँ मैं अब माइनस 7 by 5
5
into y raised to
-4 by 5.
minus
y raised to minus 5 by 4.
y raised to minus
5
5
by
by
4.
4. Yeah, 5 by 4 plus c. अब v की जगह पे आपको पुट करना है क्या? v is equal to we have here x raised to 7 by 4. So instead of v, you have to put x raised to 7 by 4 and you get the solutions. You get x raised to 7 by 4, y raised to 7 by 4 is equal to minus 7 by 5, y raised to minus 5 by 4 plus c. So which is your solution. Okay. Is it clear for everyone now? Is it clear?
So खाली एक और ऊपर ले जाए.
Okay. So first of all, we have rewrite the equations in terms of dx by dy plus x by y is equal to 1 upon x raised to 3 by 4, y raised to 4. Then multiplied whole equations by x raised to 3 by 4. And then here we get x raised to 7 by 4, 1 by y and is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. Now we have considered x raised to 7 by 4 as a v. And then we get x raised to 3 by 4 dx by dy is equal to 4 by 7 dv by dy. Then we have put this value in equation 1 and we get 4 by 7 dv by dy plus v by y is equal to 1 upon y raised to 4. Okay, and multiplied with 7 by 4. So we get the linear equations in v. We have considered write down from that p and q which we get in terms of y. Now find out the integrating factor and then write down the general solutions. Okay, and we have put the value of v. Is it clear for everyone?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
ઓલું કન્સિડર કર્યું આપણે x raised to 7 by 4 ઈ પદ સમજાવજો.
X raised to 7 by 4. Yeah.
એમાં 7 by 4 બહાર કેમ?
Why we have considered x raised to 7 by 4? You want to say? શા માટે આપણે x raised to 7 by 4 consider કર્યા એવું?
ના આયા 7 by 4 x raised to 3 by 4 ની આગળ કેમ છે?
અહીંયા. Okay.
Yes.
So yeah, we have to take the derivative with respect to y. Okay, derivative of, see here x is dependent on y. First of all, this is the Bernoulli form with x is a dependent variable. Okay, and we have considered x raised to 7 by 4 equal to v. Now we have take the derivative of this. So first we get the power 7 by 4 and then x raised to 7 by 4 raised to minus 1. Okay, 7 by 4 minus 1. So which I get 3 by 4 and then dx by
Okay,
dy.
sir.
Okay, is equal to dv by dy. Now x raised to 3 by 4 dx by dy is equal to 4 by 7 dv by dy. Clear?
ઓકે સર ક્લિયર.
Okay. So I think everyone has cleared this example. Now we move type 2 Bernoulli equation. Okay. So equations of the form f dash y dy by dx plus p into f of y is equal to q, where p and q, which is the functions of x or constant, can be made a linear form by putting f of y equal to v. Then we get f dash y into dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Okay. Here f dash y into dy by dx, okay, is equal to dv by dx in equations 1. So I get dv by dx plus pv is equal to q. Okay, so which is a linear in v and can be solved by method of linear differential equations. And finally we have to substitute again v equal to f of y in equation 1. So this is the another type of Bernoulli equations, in which here we have given some functions of y and then its derivative, which is multiplied with this dy by dx. Okay, so now we are going to discuss this type of example, like for solve dy by dx plus x sine 2y is equal to x cube cos square y. Now this sine 2y, which is our f of y, okay, f of y. So dividing, okay, first of all, this, see here, if you consider this equations, then here we have p and q. P and q are the functions of x only or constant, and equations of the form if you get like this, f dash y dy by dx plus p f of y equal to q. But right now whatever equations we have given, we haven't given here any f dash of y. But see here, instead of functions of x only, you have also here cos square y. So first of all you have to convert in the type 2 Bernoulli form. So we have to divide it by cos square y. Then I get here only a functions of x. Okay. So if I divide it by cos square y, then I get 1 upon cos square y dy by dx plus, now this sine 2y, which I have write 2 sine y cos y and divide by cos square y x is equal to x cube. Now you can see that this cos y cancel out, so I get 2 tan y, 2 tan y, and this is 1 upon cos square y, it means sec square y dy by dx plus 2 tan y x is equal to x cube. So here now, which is a x cube, which is a functions of x, and p equal to x and q equal to x cube, and this is my tan y. Okay, so or p equal to 2x, I can say that p equal to 2x and q equal to x cube, and this tan y, which is my f of y, and derivative of tan y we have here sec square y. So this is the type 2 Bernoulli equations, and here I have to consider this f of y is equal to v, so tan y equal to v. So I get sec square y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now we can put this value in above equations. So okay, I forgot to write here equation 1. Okay, this is our equations 1, and I get dv by dx plus 2vx x cube, and which is in linear in v. Okay, so here we have p equal to 2x and q equal to x cube. Now integrating factor, which I get e raised to x square. So equation 2, solutions of equation 2 is e raised to x square into v is equal to integrations of e raised to x square. Now q, it means x cube dx. So here we have to consider x square equal to t. So 2x dx equal to dt, and then x dx equal to dt by 2. Now if we substitute it in these equations, what I get, e raised to x square v is equal to integrations of e raised to t into t dt by 2. Okay, this x cube, which I can write as x square into x, and x dx, which is equal to dt by 2. So this e raised to t into t by 2 dt, okay, or 1 by 2 we can take common, and then e raised to t into t, which we can integrate by using integrations by parts. So e into e raised to t, integrations of e raised to t as it is, minus now integrations derivative of t, which I get 1, and integrations of e raised to t is e raised to t, again integrations of e raised to t is e raised to t. So I get this 1 by 2 t into e raised to t minus e raised to t plus c. So instead of t now you can put x square. Okay, instead of t now you can put x square. So what I get here, 1 by 2 e raised to x square minus 1 plus c. And see here we have e raised to x square into v. So we divide by e raised to x square, then I get 1 by 2 x square minus 1 plus c into e raised to minus x square. And v is nothing but 10y. So 10y 1 by 2 x square minus 1 plus c e raised to minus x square. So this is my general solution. Is it clear for everyone now? If anyone have doubt, you can ask right now.
सर ऊपर करो अंदर.
Yes. So here we have functions type 2, it means f dash y dy by dx plus f of y into p is equal to q. Okay, f of y into p is equal to q. And p and q are functions of x. But if we observe the equations, dy by dx plus x sine 2y is equal to x cube into cos square y. So here, if we here we have functions of x and y both. So what I do first, I need here a functions of x only. Then I can say that q is a functions of x here. So first I have divide by cos square y. Now I have compared these equations. This x square y dy by dx to 10y x is equal to x cube, as this is a derivative of 10y which I get here as x square y. So this is f dash y dy by dx f of y into q into p is equal to q. So which is our type 2 Bernoulli equations. So according to the method, we have to consider f of y is equal to b. And so f of y is over 10y, so 10y equal to b. And then if we take the differentiations, then we get x square y dy by dx equal to dv by dx. Now you have to substitute this in equation 1, and you get a linear in 1 in equations in variable v. Then p and q, which is functions of x, find out the integral factor, then put the general solutions you get here, e raised to x square b integrations of e raised to x square x cube dx. Now here we have to consider x square equal to t, so I get 2x dx equal to dt, and then x dx equal to dt by 2. So which I have put here, e raised to t, and then this x square again t, and then x dx which is dt by 2, and then 1 by 2 which I have take common, and integrations of e raised to t into t, which I have find out by integrations by parts. Okay, and which I get t e raised to t minus e raised to t. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Anyone have doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Clear for everyone? Okay. So and then we have put this t equal to x square, and now v equal to 10y. So we get the solution. Now solve x dy by dx plus y log y is equal to xy e raised to x. So if we observe here, then we have here xy e raised to x. Instead of x, functions of x, we have xy e raised to x. And here we have also multiplied x dy by dx. So what I have to do, I have divide by x into y. Okay, so if I divide by x into y, I get 1 by y dy by dx plus log y upon x is equal to e raised to x. Now we know that the derivative of log y, which is 1 by y, and which we get here. So this f of y and this is f dash y dy by dx is plus f of y into p equal to q. So p is 1 by x and q equal to e raised to x. Now this f of y equal to, we have to consider v. So log y equal to v. So I get 1 by y dy by dx is equal to dv by dx. Now substituting in equation 1, so I get dv by dx plus v by x is equal to e raised to x, and which is a linear in v. So p equal to 1 by x, q equal to e raised to x. Again, integrating factor. So e raised to integrations of 1 by x dx, and which I get x. And the general solutions now. So integrating factor into v. So x into v is equal to integrating factor into q dx plus c. So x into e raised to x, and again integrations of x into e raised to x e raised to x minus e raised to x, and instead of v we can put log y. So x log y is equal to e raised to x into x minus 1 plus c. So anyone have doubt in this example? No doubt, Karan. No doubt. Okay, Ritwik. What about others? Okay, Ravi. Clear. Janice. Karan. Sophie. No doubt. Okay. Okay. So I think most of have cleared. Okay. Aditya, clear. Lipsa, Yasoda, is it clear for you? Clear engine clear. That's correct. Yeah, okay. So now next one, try by yourself. Okay. Okay. Solve dy by dx equal to e raised to x minus y into e raised to x minus e raised to y. So now try by yourself. So after rewriting, what we get here? Okay, we have to divide here by e raised to minus y. So I get e raised to y dy by dx is equal to e raised to 2x minus e raised to x into e raised to y. e raised to y is equal to v. So reply your answer, general solution. So what you get here, general solution.
E power y equals e power 2x bracket e power x plus 2.
So here you get linear equations dv by dx plus e raised to v e raised to x okay, e raised to x into v, sorry, e raised to v into v, not e raised to x into v. So your p is e raised to x and q is e raised to 2x, and integrating factor e raised to integrations e raised to x. Okay. So I get this e into e raised to x v is equal to integrations of e into e raised to x e power e raised to x into e raised to 2x dx. Okay. Now e raised to x equal to t you have to consider. So you get e raised to x dx, and e into e raised to x v is equal to e raised to t into t dt. Again integrations e raised to t minus e raised to t. So instead of t you can put e raised to x, and what we have here e into e raised to xv. So if we divide it by e into e raised to x, then we get v is equal to e raised to x minus 1 plus c into e raised to minus e raised to x. Okay, e raised to minus e raised to x. Now v is equal to what? V is equal to e raised to y. So yeah, Karan is correct. This is also yeah, I saw you. Okay, we have considered e raised to y equal to v, and so here this is a correction. Okay, this is not e raised to v, this is e raised to x, and I write here p is equal to e raised to x and q equal to e raised to 2x. Integrations of e raised to x is e raised to x. So e raised to x.
सर वो इंटीग्रेशन में सर e पावर t into t square नहीं होगा?
Integrations में e power t into t square. No, see here e raised to 2x. So e raised to 2x, it means e raised to x into e raised to x. Okay, e raised to 2x, and here we have e raised to x dx equal to dt. So 1 e raised to x dx, which is nothing but dt, and then for e raised to x we get t.
Okay, sir.
ઓકે સર અને પછીનું કરો તો લાસ્ટ વાળું.
And then see here instead of p we have put now again e raised to x. P into e raised to x minus 1. Now we have to divide. See, in right hand side we have e raised to x into v. So we have divide it by e raised to x. So v equal to e raised to x minus 1 plus c into e raised to minus e raised to x. Okay. And now v is nothing but e raised to y. Clear? Harshil, is it clear?
યસ સર.
Okay. So I think time is over. Okay, so remaining part we are going to be discussed later on. Okay.
સર તો તમે ઓલું અપલોડ નથી કરી ભૂલી.
હા, આજે થઈ જશે.
ઓકે.